inside the Dominican Republic estate of Bunny Williams. Bunny Williams cherishes moments of tranquility and serenity at her magnificent residence in the Dominican Republic. Nestled amidst the lush tropical surroundings along the Caribbean Sea, this colonial villa holds a special place in Bunny's heart. Together with her husband, John Rosselli, an avid collector of antiques, and the assistance of talented designer and architect friends, they dedicated 18 months to create their dream home atop a picturesque hill in Punta Cana. Named La Colina, meaning the hill in Spanish, this retreat has become a sanctuary for Bunny and John, who annually gather with friends to enjoy peaceful days in their winter haven. Bunny eloquently describes their journey in her book, A House by the Sea, recounting the transformation of barren land into a majestic oasis. Within the pages, Bunny graciously invites readers to explore her paradise and offers valuable design insights. Bunny states, "If ever there was a place built for entertaining, it is La Colina. We wanted a casual, easy atmosphere that would feel cool in a tropical climate," she wrote. This vision guided the creation of the island living room, where Bunny carefully curated the space with generously sized furnishings that prioritized comfort. Plush armchairs are thoughtfully placed throughout, offering cozy spots for relaxation. A substantial walnut trestle table, discovered by John at an antiques barn, serves as a warm and captivating centerpiece. An ornate white rococo mirror not only reflects the light, but adds a striking touch to an otherwise empty wall. To bring a touch of nature indoors, lush and oversized fronds from the surrounding gardens infuse vibrant texture and draw the gaze upward. The result is a space that entices guests to linger and enjoy its every corner. Bunny stated, "If you have formal furniture and decide you would like a more tropical look for it, try covering the pieces in inexpensive cotton canvas or duck," pointing out the sky blue slipcovers that she used to ease up the sofas and chairs in the high-ceilinged living room. Plenty of hurricanes are set out for casting a soft romantic glow at night in the living room, where Bunny and John often gather with friends to wind down after a long day. John has been collecting blue and white china for years, all sorts of pieces. Bunny wrote of the enviable assemblage of ginger jars, vases, and other vessels placed throughout the home. Rooms become relaxed when there is a little patina on the furniture, and textiles are mixed in a casual way, Bunny notes. She brings that sun-washed feel to another seating area, where faintly weathered woods mingle with fabrics and golden and coral notes that pay homage to the island's locale. Some of nature's offerings can add the perfect touch to a home and give it a sense of place. Here, corals and shells from the shores bring the breezy seaside spirit of Punta Cana to life. Personal finds from treasures and travels figure predominantly in Bunny's home. Things that you collect and love will stay with you forever, and when you move, they will always move with you, says Bunny. Throughout the house, we enjoy many such memories of the places we found pieces, the people we meet, and what we learned along the way. The TV room at La Colina doubles as a game room for chess, checkers, puzzles, and backgammon. Being movie buffs, John and Bunny spend many afternoons watching films here. Many of their guests bring movies as house gifts. Bunny stated, "I always think large-scale pictures are more exciting in a space," adding that she wanted to make sure there was art in every room. "If I have a collection of small pictures, I hang them in groups, filling up a large part of the wall," she notes. A prime example of this approach is the collection of bird prints displayed in the TV room. To achieve a sense of harmony, Bunny balanced the room by carefully arranging furnishings in pairs, employing a clever symmetrical arrangement. This symmetry is evident in various elements, from the built-in library bookcases, which Bunny fondly refers to as one of her favorite parts of the furnishings at her home, to the matching rattan chairs, and even down to pairs of stacked pillows on the sofa. The result is an elegant space that seamlessly combines sophistication with a focus on relaxation and lounging. Every home that is used as a getaway needs lovely guest rooms, says Bunny. You want to have a place where your friends can feel comfortable in private and very at home for a length of their stay. A vanity chair in the guest bedroom functions as both a beautiful perch and a holding spot for bags and coats. Its chipped white paint frame recalls a gesture favored by famed decorator Dorothy Draper. When it came to the home's palette and prints, Bunny looked to her surroundings for cues. I am always influenced by the location of the house. I prefer light, airy colors in tropical homes by the sea, and darker, rich colors in a cooler climate, says Bunny. As a result, La Colina boasts a delightful array of blue and white porcelain, tiles, flowery textiles, and tropical motifs. To create a similar effect in your own home, Bunny suggests incorporating a range of blue shades, from cerulean to cobalt to sky blue, throughout different rooms. This approach allows for a more relaxed and open atmosphere in formal spaces, while enhancing the breezy ambiance in more casual interiors. La Colina was built as much for entertaining as it was for escaping, Bunny points out. We knew we wanted a place to have our friends and family come for visits. Each fall, invitations are sent to guests, signaling the start of their visit to Bunny's home. However, once guests arrive, all formalities are left behind. The focus shifts to the shared experiences and cherished moments within the house. The highlight of these visits often revolves around meals, where Bunny's tables are adorned with an exquisite blend of high and low elements, such as the use of blue and white china, brown pottery, and delightful lettuceware. It is all assembled with inexpensive but special linens from Vietnam and India. She states, "Somehow for me, setting a table is like painting a picture. I love mixing the china, glasses, and tablecloths together. This combination creates a visually stunning and inviting ambiance for guests to enjoy their dining experience. The eclectic blend of tableware adds character and charm, reflecting Bunny's personal style and love for beautiful table settings." Guests that stayed for a week ate 3 meals a day there and never saw the same china twice. But the ultimate oasis at La Colina might just be the northern pool house. Created in the image of a Greek temple with granite columns that extend to the edge of the water, and outfitted with teak outdoor seating ready for hours of lounging. In order to capture the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding vistas at La Colina, Bunny applied the same design pinnacle to her outdoor spaces as she did with her living room. She believed that incorporating large-scale pieces would create a more intimate atmosphere. One of her cherished areas is the second-floor veranda, which serves as a perfect spot for leisurely naps. The veranda is thoughtfully arranged with all-weather rattan sofas, chairs, and chases, accompanied by pillows for added comfort. When furnishing your own outdoor space, Bunny suggests opting for generously sized and sumptuous pieces that enhance the sense of coziness and warmth. The more substantial the furnishings, the better, as they create a more inviting and welcoming environment for relaxation and enjoyment. One of Bunny's favorite reading spots is the inviting cove on the second-floor balcony, which looks out across fanning treetops to the sparkling waters. The eye is constantly rewarded with framed views and the promise of the discovery of something new and wonderful at every turn. I hope you enjoyed this lovely peek into the home of Bunny Williams in the Dominican Republic. Please let me know your favorite room in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video.